Justin from Overbeck machine. This is how you remove and replace a 5C collet in your twister machine. Start by removing or releasing the number 1000 lever. You want to disengage the collet closer by throwing it all the way to the right side. You want to grab the knurled ring. You want to depress the brass locking key. It will engage, and then turn the knurled ring, I guess anti-clockwise, until the collet comes out completely. Like that. Once the collet's out, you want to wipe the inside of the spindle, make sure there's no debris. You want to wipe off your collet, make sure there's no debris on the taper, that's important. To re-engage the collet, find the slot in the collet, insert, and then turn it until it falls into the key. You then push the brass locking key on the spindle cover again, and then turn the knurled ring clockwise until you get to the point where you can toggle over and get a good crisp adjustment on your collet. Find the next slot for the locking key and engage it. You're good to go.